So we have completed the explanation of the info hub, Nana. Let's go to the making of a bird's bee with the help of a paper. So what things you need? Let us see now. What we need, Nana, I have taken two papers. One is A4 size paper and other is a craft paper. Okay? Okay. And what you have to do, I have taken three things. That is one scissor, sketch and a marker. Let's see what works with us. Okay? Now what we have to do is, I will show you the procedure how to make a bird's beak. Okay, Nana? See, Nana, what you have to do, I have taken a paper. You have to fold these into two correct halves. Okay, Nana? You have to fold this into two correct half. Okay? It is two correct half. So, completed. You have to fold it properly. After folding, what you have to do? You have to make a cut in between. Okay? Like this, a cut you have to make. So, after we have completed a cut in between. So, what you have to do? From this cut, you have to fold that side, and from this cut, you have to fold this side. And you have to fold it very hardly. Okay? So, completed. Now, open the cut, open this one. So, this is the beak of a bird. Okay, Nana, this only they have shown us. This has already completed in the art and craft class when the children were in the 5th class. So, this is when you are in the 3rd class only they have given us. So, we have completed the bird's beak. Okay, now what we will do is we will draw the eyes of this. So, if you are having a marker, you take a marker and draw eyes. First, we will attempt with a pencil. I will draw with the pencil and show you. Okay. See, Nana, what happened here? I have drawn the eyes of the bird. What is this bird? It is nothing but beak of a bird. So, from the nose itself, I have drawn two eyes, and you draw again another eyes also. Let's draw another eyes and fill this with pencil shading. Come on, slant your pencil, Nana. Come on, shade that part. Yes, this is called pencil shading. Okay, Nana. So, this pencil shading should be somewhat darker such that it looks like an eyeball. Again, come on, turn this side. Again, come with the pencil shading. Okay, we have completed the pencil shading part also. Okay, now next one, what we have to do is, this we have to draw its head, no? So, from where the line is coming, from there you have to come outside like this. Yes, again from here, again like this. Okay, so this becomes the beak, the eyes, and we'll draw its brows also. Brows means what, Nana? Eyebrows. Then 2 or 3 hair will be there, no, for it. So this becomes the beak, eye, brows and its hair, and this becomes the mouth of the duck. So what you have to do? You have to color this one. Now let's do with the craft paper. Okay, Nana? Wait for 2 minutes. What you have to do, Nana? Same as it is. Fold the paper to two same halves. Okay. You have to fold the paper to two same halves. Take a scissor in your hand. Cut in between. At some distance you have to cut. After cutting, come on, fold to one side. Tightly to the other side. Tightly. And give a correct mark on it. అంటే ఇట్లా గట్టిగా ఇట్లా చేయాలి. Come on, take it to the original place. Open it. The beak has completed. Take a pencil in your hand. Draw eyes. Draw its second eye, means that is eyeball. Shade it. You have to shade with the slanting position. This is called pencil shading. You shouldn't leave at least a little white thing in that. Again, draw its eyeball. Again, complete it by shading it. So, we have completed the shading part also. After completing the shading part, from here you have to draw its head. Again, from here, draw its head. Draw its eyebrows. Then take 3 hair. Then your duck is ready to play. Okay, Nana? Okay. So this is beak, eyebrows and hair. So this is the thing. Complete this craft thing and send it back to me, the picture, and keep it safe. Whenever I will ask you, you should be in a position to show me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care, Nana. Children, so let's do an animal mask. An animal mask we have to prepare it same. So we will prepare this animal mask. So what things you need? We need this one. Okay, this is one paper like thing, but it is somewhat fatter one. మనకు బుక్స్ వెనకాల అట్టాస్ ఉంటాయి కదా నాన్న, this one, this type, but this should be plain like this type. It's too hard, no, but it is written here, but it should be plain like this. Okay, you want one pencil, one eraser, then scissor, and you need also some sketches and crayons. Okay, I will draw and I will show you, and after that let's cut it. Okay, wait a minute. See Nana, I completed this drawing. So what you have to do, I have shown you like this, but it is not sufficient for me. As big as your face is there, that much big you have to draw. Okay, now after drawing, you take a scissor in your hand and start cutting its head. Okay, Nana, I will cut and I will show you again. See Nana, we have completed cutting this out of the paper. Yes, we have completed, Nana. How I have cut, you have to cut like that only, and whatever is remaining, this you have to throw it in the dustbin. Let's throw in the dustbin. Okay, completed. We have thrown that. I will throw that in the dustbin. This completed. After this you have to take a rubber band. Okay, this you have to cut it into 2 halves, means in between you have to keep a cut like this. Okay, after cutting, what you have to do, you have to make a hole here and here and keep a rubber band there. Okay, I will show you how I will do it. Okay, what I did, Nana, I made 2 holes here and I inserted one end of the rubber band in it. I inserted one end of the rubber band to it, and you catch backside tightly and make a knot here. Okay, mudayalannattu. Okay na? Completed. We made a knot here. Again, what you have to do, you have to transfer this in this. Again, keep a knot here, and you can play this with the mask. You have to color this, and then you have to make it. Again, I will insert this and I will show you. Okay, see Nana, I inserted at both the ends, and I have completed this one also. So what you have to do, after coloring, keep this to your head. So this is a small one, so small rubber band has been come enough. So you have to take a big rubber band when you are making a big mask out of it. Color it, it becomes a beautiful animal mask which you can play at your home. Okay Nana, thank you. Have a nice, I hope you all will do this and show to me. This is very interesting, no Nana? Okay Nana, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.